Alright, customers on the way to pick their bike up. So I just want to shoot a quick outro video here. Got all these scratches. You can still see them in the light a little bit. They were really deep. So I got all of the paint down to a complete mirror finish, except for those, since they were so deep, I actually just cut them down to where they're a lot harder to see, and then stop there because I don't want to take off too much of the paint and compromise the rest of the paint that's on the tank. These seats cleaned up really nice too. They're about 10 shades darker now, and that's without using any conditioner or anything like that. Same with all this paint back here, turned out really nice. And then I shined up all the chrome, cleaned the tires. I paint corrected this as well, this little side piece here, the front fender, the headlight. Got all the bugs out from in there. They were all stuck in there, went in with a Q-tip. Cleaned the visor here, really good. Yeah, all the aluminum and chrome pieces I went over. The wheels, they turned out pretty good, but they're that kind of matte aluminum finish. They still have a little bit of water on them, but they're that matte aluminum finish, and they're a little bit pitted, so you can fix it, but you kind of change the look of the wheel unless you repaint it or clear coat it. So I just got them as good as you can get with heavy duty cleaners and stuff like that. But overall, I'm really happy with how this turned out. It looks great. I mean, it almost looks like a new bike again.